In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Say, He is Allah, the one, Allah, the eternally besought of all. He begat not, nor was begotten, and there is none comparable unto him. हर इब्तिदा से पहले हर इंतहा के बाद, हर इब्तिदा से पहले हर इंतहा के बाद ज़ाते नबी बुलंद है, ज़ाते खुदा के बाद। और दुनिया में एहतराम के काबिल है जितने लोग, दुनिया में एहतराम के काबिल है जितने लोग, मैं सबको मानता हूं मगर मुस्तफा के बाद, मैं सबको मानता हूं मगर मुस्तफा के बाद। Honorable Mr. President, honorable my respectable teachers and dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace and blessing and mercy of Almighty Allah be on all of you. And now, the topic of my talk today is image of Islam in the modern world. First of all, the meaning of word Islam. Islam comes from Arabic word salam, which means peace. It's also derived Arabic word sim, which means to submit your will to Almighty Allah. So short means of Islam, peace acquired by submitting your will to Almighty Allah. If any person who submits his will to Almighty Allah, he is called as a Muslim. According to the many people, that Islam is a new religion which came 1400 years before. And our Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was the founder of this religion. But no, Mr. President, no. In fact, our Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is not founder of Islam. He is the last and the final messenger of Almighty Allah. The religion of Islam is based on the teaching of glorious Quran, which came 1400 years before. Is it possible that today in this 21st century, in this modern world, humanity how can get guidance from a book which is 1400 years before? But the nature answer absolutely not. If this book is written by human beings, but the glorious Quran, it is the last and the final revelation from Almighty Allah, which was revealed to the last and the final messenger, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The glorious Quran, it is the fountain of mercy and wisdom. For any book claim that it is the word of Almighty Allah, any book prove that it is a revelation from Almighty Allah, it should stand test of time. Previously in the old days, Islam does not only speak about the universal brotherhood, it practically demonstrates that every Muslim who follows the religion of Islam should practically practice maximum 5 times in a day. And beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, when you stand for prayer, you should stand shoulder to shoulder, irrespective of other person standing next to you is rich or poor, black or white, king or pauper. But today, unfortunately, Islam is the most misunderstood religion in the world. Religion which has maximum misconception in this world, it is Islam. And one of the reasons for these misconceptions, I would say, it is media. Today, we find on the international media there is various propaganda regarding Islam. We find on the international magazine, on the international newspaper, on the international satellite channel, on the internet, on the radio, there is various propaganda regarding Islam. And Mr. President, the most misunderstood word regarding Islam, it is word jihad. It is not only misunderstood by the Muslims, because of the media, it's also misunderstood by the non-Muslims. Today, most of the people, whether they are Muslims or non-Muslims, they think that any war fought by any Muslim for any reason, whether they for a personal reason, whether be for honor, whether be for land, any war fought by any Muslim for any reason is called jihad. But jihad does not mean that any war fought by any Muslim for any reason, Mr. President. Jihad comes from Arabic word jahada, which means strike, which means struggle. In the Islamic context, jihad means to strive and struggle to make the society better. Jihad also means to strive and struggle against the oppression. Jihad also means to strive and struggle to self-defend, Mr. President. Mr. President, Islam condemns all form of the terrorism. Islam condemns killing innocent human beings. Islam, and I too, as a Muslim, condemn all form of the terrorism. I also condemn 9/11/2001, the Twin Tower bombing in New York. I condemn 7 July 2005, London bombing there, more than 100 killed there. I condemn 11 July 2006, Bombay bombing in India. There are more than 180 people killed there. I condemn all form of the terrorism as a Muslim, and also Islam condemn all form of the terrorism. But today false that Islam is a religion which promotes terrorism. ज़बान से कह भी दिया ला इलाहा तो क्या हासिल, ज़बान से कह भी दिया ला इलाहा तो क्या हासिल, दिलो निगाह मुसलमान नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं. Mr. President, every community has a black sheep. I also aware that there are a few black sheep in Muslim community. But today, media picks the black sheep of Muslim community and they highlight as those examples of the Muslims. Because of this today, most of the people think that Islam promoted terrorism. But if you read the saying of Prophet, if you read the glorious Quran, Islam among all the religions more condemning killing innocent human beings. तने बेजान मिल्लत में इलाही जान पैदा कर, तने बेजान मिल्लत में इलाही जान पैदा कर, मुसलमानों में मजहब की वो पहली शान पैदा कर. भुलाया कौम ने अपने सबके कारनामों को, भुलाया कौम ने अपने सबके कारनामों को. कोई सिद्दीक साफिर साहिब ईमान पैदा कर, कोई सिद्दीक साफिर साहिब ईमान पैदा कर. बजे इस्लाम का चारों तरफ डंका जमाने में, बजे इस्लाम का चारों तरफ डंका जमाने में. उमर साफिर कोई आदिल जरी इंसान पैदा कर, उमर साफिर कोई आदिल जरी इंसान पैदा कर. वो जिसके दिल में हुब्बे दीन कलाम पाक फिर से, हो जिसके दिल में हुब्बे दीन कलाम पाक फिर से, कोई उस्मान साफिर साहिब ईमान पैदा कर. इलाही मिटा जाता है अब अहकाम शरीयत का, इलाही मिटा जाता है अब अहकाम शरीयत का, इलाही मिटा जाता है अब अहकाम शरीयत का. अली साफिर कोई इस्लाम में इंसान पैदा कर. उसी हिम्मत, उसी जुर्रत, उसी अजमत की जरूरत, उसी हिम्मत, उसी जुर्रत, उसी अजमत की जरूरत. कोई खालिद, कोई हैदर, कोई उस्मान पैदा कर, कोई खालिद, कोई हैदर, कोई उस्मान पैदा कर, कोई खालिद, कोई हैदर, कोई उस्मान पैदा कर. Mr. President, and the last, I would like to conclude my speech by these golden words that Islam is ease, Islam is peace. Islam is ease, Islam is peace, Islam is not danger or disease. Islam is love and prosperity. Islam is not hatred or adversity. Islam is worshipping only the Creator. Islam gives you respect for our dignity. Islam winning heart through the honesty. Islam is not a terrorist or for a pretender. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.